Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Hope you're doing well out there in the internet YouTube universe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment anytime during the video. Hit the bell button and check out my description down below. I have my link tree, which is the link to everything that is me. And that includes my newsletter, my home herbalist course, my books on Amazon, links to Mountain Rose herbs for bulk herbs. On this channel, I really try to teach and empower and show you how to do things with herbs. And in this video, I'm making plantain ice cubes. So it's almost June, but allergy season for a lot of people. Right now for me, I have had some red itchiness around my eyes, and that's kind of typical what I have had the last couple of years in the springtime. So I'm out of my plantain ice cubes. I had some burdock, which also works really great. And so I need to make another batch because what I do is when the itching is just really uncomfortable, I take the ice cube and I go around my eye, and it actually is like pulling toxins from the skin. So the last couple years for me, as it's hotter and I'm exercising and sweating and my skin is cleansing and I use these different herbs, everything sort of just like pulls out, cleanses with my body. And my goal though is to not have this at all come allergy season, but for now, I haven't been able to make it through winter without, I guess, or how should I say it? I haven't been able to make it through winter with a good exercise routine and being a little bit eating as well as I would say I do in the warmer months. So let's get started. Okay, what I have in front of me is some broadleaf plantain that I picked in my garden. Well, I weeded from my garden as I was getting my lettuces. And what I want to do is show you how to make plantain ice cubes that you can store in your freezer to use for skin, itching, rashing things. And for instance, a cup of loosely packed plantain, broadleaf plantain, that's the bigger leaf, and it's in just a small little grinder. I'm going to add a cup of water. So pretty much whenever I make ice cubes with either burdock leaf or jewelweed or the plantain or even chickweed, I do half and half water and herb as far as measuring with like a measuring cup. The water is in there. I'm going to put on the lid and I am going to spin this. I'm going to try to do this one-handed here. So we got to tighten and no. So one-handed didn't work. Actually, that function does not work. The grind on my machine here, chop works. So depending on what kind of machine you use, you might get a finer grind than I have here. If I were making these ice cubes for any part of the body besides my eyes, I would actually leave the leaf all chopped up. But I don't like getting little pieces of leaf right near my eyes. Actually, you know what? I think I'll make half and half. So I'll strain some clean and some with the leaf. And right into my tray here, and I'll show you when I've done that. You can see at this end I just have the juice, the plantain juice, and I strained it with my strainer. Up here I just kind of like scooped the plantain chunky stuff with some of the juice into this side of the ice cube tray. And what I want to do is just top it off with water so that they freeze like a nice ice cube. And it's fine that this is messy. This would actually be perfect for like your leg or your arm or anything like poison, ivy, a bug you know, a bug bite or bug bites, stings, mosquito bites, and that can, you know, the little leaf as the ice cube melts is fine. But here, because I'm going to use this around my eyes, I did not want any of the plantain leaf in the ice cube. And that's that. So as you can see, the ice cubes are now finished. These 6 have the pieces of plantain, and these were just the plantain juice. I already used one. Easy to pop out and then just nicely melt right on your skin. To be honest, you don't even have to melt the entire ice cube, just a little bit at a time, and then rub the liquid into the skin. So here's what it looks like. As soon as you start putting it on, it's going to melt because your body temperature, and you really don't need a lot for it to soothe. Of course, leave it on as long as you feel like you need to, but you can see just melted on my hands, and whatever area that I'm applying, I just then rub that in a little bit more. But just a short time of applying, my eyes are like 100% better than yesterday.